She won't be pooping on the plane. Stay over here. Come here. Yes, you're a good girl.
Yes, pet turkey. Then the turkey literally hopped on board. Her husband died of cancer 3 months prior. Easter exited the plane like a pro. Going through security was a bit of a hassle.
Gentlemen, welcome to Miami.
Who's ever heard of pit bulls on a plane?
When she got on the flight, the pit bull was actually in her seat.
Be allergic to. Be there for someone. Get booted off.
In 2019, Abria Hensley went on her first trip with her service animal, a horse named Flirty, after the FAA approved miniature horses to fly.
I definitely say a big thank you to the FAA that now it's official. She won't be pooping on the plane. Everybody can relax about that. All right, Flirty, ready to go to the airport?
At the airport in Omaha, passengers couldn't believe their eyes.
This is awesome. We love Flirty. She's beautiful. Would you like to sit next to a horse on a plane?
Hensley had post-traumatic stress disorder, but was allergic to dogs, so she bonded with the horse.
Be allergic to.
헨슬리는 외상 후 스트레스 장애가 있었지만 개에 알레르기가 있어서 말과 유대관계를 형성했다고 설명하는 부분입니다. 이 표현이 재미있는 이유는 두 가지 의미로 사용된다는 거예요. 첫 번째는 우리가 잘 아는 알레르기가 있다는 의미입니다. 예를 들어
I am allergic to cats.
나는 고양이 알레르기가 있어 라는 뜻이죠. 특히 미국에서는 레스토랑이나 병원에서 이 표현을 정말 많이 듣게 되는데요. 알레르기가 워낙 중요한 건강 문제라서 거의 필수 표현이라고 할 수 있어요. 그런데 이 표현에는 숨겨진 의미가 하나 더 있어요. 바로 무엇을 끔찍하게 싫어하다 라는 뜻인데요.
Sorry, I'm allergic to Monday mornings.
미안한데 난 월요일 아침이 죽도록 싫어라는 의미가 됩니다. 재미있죠? 실제 알레르기처럼 강한 거부감을 표현할 때 쓰는 거예요. 자, 정리해볼까요? Be allergic to는 진짜 알레르기가 있을 때, 뭔가를 정말 싫어할 때 이렇게 두 가지로 쓸 수 있습니다. 저는 한국 대통령 부부가 끔찍히 싫어요.
Republicans seem to be allergic to oversight.
Are you still allergic to the dog?
They are allergic to solving the problem.
She can actually accurately predict when I'm going to have an anxiety or panic attack and warn me that it's going to happen, so that way I can take medication. She helps me with my balance if I lose my balance while I'm walking.
On the United Airlines flight, Flirty made her way to her seat.
Stay over here. Come here.
Flirty was 7 years old and weighed 138 pounds, so there wasn't much legroom. But the horse stayed calm for the entire flight.
Yes, you're a good girl.
I love it.
You did really well. She was really very quiet through the whole flight.
Although the experience was pleasant, Abria had no plans on making Flirty a frequent flyer.
It is a little bit of stress, but I'm not going to be hopping on a plane just to go, on vacation for fun. I'll stick to driving. 1, 2, 3. Good girl.
In 2016, Jody Smalley went on a trip with her pet turkey. Yes, pet turkey. It didn't take long for her fellow travelers to whip out their cell phones and take pictures.
This is like so cool. I want to show my wife and my daughter.
Then it was off to security where TSA agents got quite a shock.
I've had a parakeet, but not a turkey.
The 25-pound bird breezed past security and then made their way down the jet bridge. Then the turkey literally hopped on board. The bird, named Easter, knew right where to go and headed down the aisle to economy. Some scoffed, but for Jody, the trip was genuinely emotional. She had had Easter since she was a chick and never needed her more than at this moment. Her husband died of cancer 3 months prior.
We're going to San Francisco to go spread some of my husband's ashes, and so she's been there for me through all sorts of different things.
Be there for someone.
여행의 진짜 목적과 이스터가 조디에게 가지는 의미를 설명합니다. 미국인들이 정말 많이 사용하는, 그리고 정말 따뜻한 의미를 가진 영어 표현이네요. 바로 Be there for someone입니다. 직역하면 누군가를 위해 거기 있다인데요. 이게 무슨 뜻일까요? 이 표현은 누군가의 곁에서 지지해주다, 힘이 되어주다라는 의미입니다. 실제로 옆에 있다는 물리적인 의미가 아니라 마음으로 지지하고 응원한다는 뜻이에요. 예를 들어 친구에게 감사할 때
You've always been there for me when I needed you.
너는 내가 필요할 때마다 항상 나를 도와줬어. 연인에게 감동적으로 말할 때
She's been there for me through all my tough time.
그녀는 내가 힘든 시기를 다 함께 해줬어. 여러분도 오늘 이 표현 확실하게 하셨으니 주위 분들에게 당장 사용해 보시지요.
You've always been there for me.
We are Americans, and we will be there for one another.
Yeah, but you've been there for me, and I want to be there for you.
You can't tell a newborn infant or a dying parent that you'll be there for them next year.
Easter sat comfortably in Jody's lap for the 2-hour flight. After touching down in San Francisco, Easter exited the plane like a pro. A wheelchair was then used to transport her through the terminal. This bird certainly earned her wings. In 2018, there were cheers in the terminal when a passenger got booted off a plane because her emotional support animal was a squirrel.
Get booted off. 또 다른 특이한 도우미 동물 사례를 소개하고 있네요. 정말 재미있는 표현입니다. 바로 get booted off입니다. 직역하면 발로 차여나가다인데요. 말 그대로 쫓겨나다라는 뜻입니다. 우리말로 하면 차이다, 까이다와 비슷하다고 할까요? 이 표현이 특별한 이유는 굉장히 캐주얼하면서도 재미있는 뉘앙스를 가지고 있기 때문인데요. 보통 누군가가 갑자기 또는 억울하게 쫓겨날 때 많이 써요. 예를 들어볼까요?
He got booted off the soccer team because he never showed up for practice.
그는 연습에 나오지 않아서 축구팀에서 쫓겨났어요. 하나 더.
I got booted off the Zoom meeting because my cat unplugged my computer.
고양이가 컴퓨터 선을 뽑는 바람에 줌 미팅에서 튕겨났어요. 그런데 여러분, 이 표현은 너무 격식적인 자리에서는 쓰시면 안 돼요. 교수님한테 I got booted off your class 라고 하면 더 심각한 상황이 될 수도 있습니다. 정리해볼까요? Get booted off는 갑자기 쫓겨날 때, 강제로 내쫓길 때, 특히 온라인에서 튕겨날 때 많이 써요. 제 영상이 유튜브에서 갑자기 쫓겨나지 않도록 여러분들이 구독과 좋아요 많이 눌러주세요.
You're picking up the case I had Samantha booted off of, and now I'm supposed to be shaking with fear.
Based on some on-court issues and a minor off-court incident, I was booted off the tour.
But we got so many protests, we broke so many rules, and we got booted off campus.
Frontier Airlines says cops were called because the woman refused to get off the plane after being told squirrels were not allowed, even as emotional support animals.
All the other passengers had to get off too, which delayed the flight 2 hours. So you can understand the anger. They made us deplane because a woman brought a blanking squirrel, one passenger said. A woman was taken off in a wheelchair and made a rude gesture to the other passengers as they applauded.
Someone immediately must have said something to her because she flipped a lot of people off.
The airline told Inside Edition that rodents, including squirrels, are not allowed on Frontier flights. In 2016, Megan Peabody went to Miami with her pet potbelly pig named Hamlet. The ticket agents at American Airlines were surprised as they looked over Megan's documentation, certifying that Hamlet was an emotional support animal. Megan once battled anorexia and said Hamlet was important to her recovery.
He's ready to go.
Passengers who couldn't believe they'd be flying with the pig took photos.
Hey, Hamlet.
Going through security was a bit of a hassle. But once past security, Megan carried the 70-pound pig up the stairway and onto the plane. Throughout the 2-hour flight, Hamlet made himself comfortable and didn't budge.
Petting an animal helps you relax, lowers your blood pressure, and reduces stress.
He is a very clean pig. Pigs like to be clean. He's quieter than most kids.
Gentlemen, welcome to Miami. In 2023, an emotional support pit bull named Binky was seen on a 4.5-hour flight from Los Angeles to Atlanta. Fellow passenger Wani Falks told Inside Edition when she got on the flight, the pit bull was actually in her seat.
So she wanted the pit bull to sit in your seat. Where did she think you were going to sit?
She didn't care. Les Trent has more.
Who's ever heard of pit bulls on a plane? The breed has a terrible rap for unprovoked viciousness. In 2018, Delta Airlines banned pit bulls after 2 flight attendants were bitten. But a year later, the federal government overruled that ban, saying that all dogs must be allowed in the cabin regardless of breed. Yes, even pit bulls.
The problem in this case was the pit bull was not in a carrier. A Delta spokesperson said emotional support dogs must fit in a small, ventilated pet carrier that fits under the seat in front of you.
Pit bulls do have a very strong jaw.
We showed the video to New York veterinarian Timna Lee.
They are a larger breed dog, which can be difficult in certain areas like an airplane seat.
I just had never seen anything quite like that before, and I fly a lot.
수고 많으셨습니다. 영상에 사용된 영어 원문과 한글 해석은 고정 댓글란에 PDF 파일로 제공됨과 동시에 언제 어디서나 복습이 가능하시도록 MP3 파일도 올려놓겠습니다. 여러분들의 영어 공부에 조금이나마 도움이 된다면 정말 좋겠습니다. 다음 시간까지 평안하시기를. 좋아요, 구독은 사랑 중에 사랑입니다.